Hello everyone. Today's video is that Windows 10 is coming to an end pretty soon in October 14, 2025. And you may come into a situation where you need your product key if you're doing a reinstall of Windows 10 or something else happened and you need the product key. And I'm going to show you how to get that. We're going to go to search and we're going to type in regedit. You're going to click on administrator, run as administrator, then click yes. Okay. And we're going to go to H key, local machine here. We're going to expand that. It's already expanded here for me. Then we're going to expand software. Then we're going to expand Microsoft. And then we're going to go all the way to the W's. All the way down to Windows NT. Expand that. And then expand the current version. And then we're going to go to Software Protection Platform. It's in the yeses. Okay, and it's right here. All you do is just click on that. And then over to the right here, you're going to see your product key. I'm not going to show you my product key. Okay, somebody can use it. It should be there. If it's a digital key, it should be there. In another method, we're going to type in CMD. Okay. Run as administrator. Click on run as administrator. Click yes. I'm going to show you the key. Okay, this is the path. And I'm going to be putting this in underneath the video in the description. So you can copy and paste it from there. Then what you do, you copy and paste it, and then click enter. And your product key will be here, 25 numbers and letters, okay, right underneath. Okay, it should work. If you have a digital key, this is 100%, one of these two methods will work for you. Anyways, let me know in the comments if this worked for you or it didn't work for you. And I'll try to give you a little help with that. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.